TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida at 1 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday. 3 hours left to go in the trading day. Checking in on markets, a relatively calm day of trading so far. You have the NASDAQ leading the way up 40 points, trading at 7,700 on the dot. Dow Jones negative by 2, trading at 25.13, and S&P is positive by 3, trading at 27.86. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of those futures markets. We'll start it off with the NASDAQ, quite the leader. NASDAQ 100 currently trading 72.31, up almost a solid 50 points from where we were trading at early pre-market. Quite a day for the NASDAQ 100. S&P's quite an acceleration as well from those lows. We're up about 10 points, call it 9 points from the lows we were making at about 7 a.m. this morning. Currently trading 27.91, just a few points off session highs that we made about an hour ago. Dow 30. A little bit of a different chart. Dow barely negative for the day. Dow currently trading 25,355. We're about 25 points higher around the market open. From there, trailing off a bit. Crude oil contract. We get the API numbers after the closing bell tonight, 3.5 hours from right now at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Crude currently trading 66.44. And of course, we get the EIA inventories tomorrow, being Wednesday, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Tomorrow going to be a big day in the markets as the Fed started their 2-day meeting today. They'll have their announcement at 2 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow, Wednesday. Lots of expectations for not just if they're going to raise hikes, which is expected, but what that statement will say. And what will have some volatility? For currencies, of course, euro, US dollar, gold as well. You could see some action just like we saw 8:30 this morning. We got CPI data, get a little bit of volatility around that news. Gold spikes lower to about 12.97, continues to climb to almost 13.04, trailing off a bit, just above 1,300 as we speak. And Bitcoin with some slight volatility as well. Pretty tight trading range from about 68.50 down to 67.50, currently trading 67.42. And in terms of that CPI data we had this morning, jumping over 8:30 a.m. this morning, getting the CPI of 0.2% in May, pretty much in line with expectations. On the horizon as well, we're waiting for news on AT&T and Time Warner, whether that deal will be approved. That's expected to come out today, and we'll see how that plays out. Stay tuned. We have our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now with the Trader's Edge. Then, of course, David White at 2 o'clock with the Power Trading Hour. Tom O'Brien from 3 to 5, and Andy Hecht with the Commodities Hour 5 till 6. Have a great Tuesday, everybody.